y'all doing today? Good. Okay, today we are going to be learning a new topic, and we're going to be talking about length. Whenever I say length, what comes into your mind?
Inches.
Inches? That's a way you can
Miles.
measure. Miles. You can measure by inches. You can measure by miles. Any other suggestions or that y'all can think of?
Foot.
Foot. Good job.
Centimeters.
Centimeters. That's good. We're actually going to be talking about centimeters today. So we're going to be talking about 4 types of measurements today. We're going to be talking about kilometers, decimeters, centimeters, and millimeters. Okay, so every day you're writing our classroom journal, correct? So today we're going to add 4 new definitions to our journals, and they are the kilometer, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeters. So as I discuss this to y'all, y'all going to start writing your journals, okay?
Okay.
So a kilometer, the prefix is kilo, and the symbol is km. So every time you see km, that means kilometer. And kilometer, the meaning of it is 1,000. And we will go into more details as soon as we go over these definitions. We have decimeter, and the prefix for decimeter is deci, and the m is 1/10. We also have centimeter, and the prefix for it is centi, and the symbol is cm. So every time you see cm, it means centimeter. And the meaning is 1/100. And our last meaning, or our last definition, is millimeter, and the prefix is milli, and the symbol is mm, and it means 1/1000.
That was the smallest?
That one is the smallest. Good job.
Oh.
So I know this is a lot of information, but if you think about it, if your kilometer is 1,000 and your millimeter is 1/1000, which one's bigger?
1,000.
1,000. So your kilometer is the biggest, and then your decimeter, and then your centimeter, and then your millimeter is the smallest. Okay. We're going to be talking about ways to convert these units of measurements. Do y'all know what the word convert means?
Change it?
Yeah, so we're going to be changing. We're going to. So we're going to be changing the measurement, okay, from kilometer to millimeter and so on. Okay, so if y'all want to, y'all can look right here, and this is our chart that we're going to go off from. Whenever you convert.
We didn't do those two.
Yeah, we're not going to do these two.
Oh.
Okay, so whenever we are talking about measurements, we can divide, or there's a like a timeline you can go off from. You can kind of think of it as a timeline. Okay, so I have kilometer, which is the biggest, and we have millimeter, which is the smallest. Okay, so for example, if you have 70 decimeters, and we want to get from decimeter, and we're going to millimeter, okay? Right now, our decimal is at the end of 70, okay? And this is decimeter, okay? So to get the millimeter, we have to move over 1, 2.
Okay.
That makes sense? So since our decimal is here, we're going to move over twice and add 2 zeros. So 70 decimeters is equal to 7,000 millimeters.
Once, twice. What did I put in the little movie?
You're going to add zeros since you're so your 70 decimeters turns into 7,000 millimeters. No, yours is right. Y'all both did a good job. Same one. Good job. 70,000. I mean 70
I get
to 7,000. Okay. So we're gonna do a couple more. We're gonna do a couple more examples. Kayla, if I was to have 20 centimeters,
Mhm.
okay, and I want to find out how many millimeters that is. What will I do?
To go to that one?
Yeah, so if you have 20 here, and I'm going to go 1 this direction,
Uh-huh.
so what are you going to do?
My thing's here.
Your decimal's there.
And my thing is here.
Mm-hmm. So 20 centimeters is equal to how many millimeters?
200.
200. Good job. You did good. You did a good job. Okay, Sarah, for you, so we have 120 millimeters. So we're at the very smallest, okay? And we want to find out how many centimeters that is. So we have 120 millimeters. What will you do to find out how many centimeters that is?
To that.
You go that way. So you move your decimal, so you'll get what?
12.
12. Good job.
You're tricky.
You did. We went the opposite direction that way. Okay. Good job, Sarah. So if whatever direction you go, that's the way you move your decimal. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna do 2 more examples, okay? Kayla, if we were to have, let's pay attention now.
Sorry.
Okay? If we were to have 3 kilometers, okay? If we were to have 3 kilometers,
Yeah.
and we want to get all the way down here to millimeters, that's a long jump, right?
Yeah.
So let's count and see how many times we'll have to move our decimal, okay? So,
I didn't write those. I have to use those.
okay, you can use this one. Okay, so if you have 3, how many times are we going to move our decimal?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So if we have 3, and we're adding 6 zeros to it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Hey, that's a big number, isn't it?
That's 1,000,000.
That is 3 million. Good job. So 3 kilometers is equal to 3 million millimeters. That's a big difference, isn't it? Okay. We're going to do one more example. Sarah, if we were to have 500 decimeters, okay, and we want to find out how many kilometers that is, what would we do?
Go that.
Go that way how many times?
4.
4. So what's your answer?
0.05.
0.05 kilometers. Good job.